Howdy everyone, you're watching Rooted and Resourceful. I'm Robert Bradley, and today let's talk about some car cleaning tips, specifically when it comes to your AC unit. If you ever gotten into your vehicle and you kind of smell kind of musty, or you smell a slight odor whenever you turn your AC on, well, guess what? I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily clean your evaporator coil. Stay tuned. First and foremost, you are going to need some type of cleaner. As you can see here, I have this one by Lube Guard. It's brand name Coolant. It is evaporator and heater foam cleaner. This is going to help remove different odors, contaminants, going to leave that fresh scent to help not only smell a little bit better, but also clean the system to help it work a little bit smoother also. We got this one from AutoZone. I think it was about $13, and I can leave the link in the comments for you as well. Our customer brought us this 2017 Audi Q7 Quattro because her AC unit isn't smelling the best. So we're going to use that coil cleaner or that evaporator cleaner and make sure that this is working a little bit more efficient for her. She originally brought it up here for an oil change. We're also going to be installing some rear shocks. That will be in a future video for you as well. All right, underneath the glove box in this particular vehicle, there is this foam covering. It's going to have little clips that you're going to simply pull out. There's 3 of them. We're going to just pull those out. If I can get to the right one, I've already removed 2. The foam covering is simply going to come down. And that is where your air filter box is. Now, we are going to replace the air filter as well, but this is where we will be cleaning the system. So simply, you're going to unclip these little clips. There are 4 of them. Once you get multiple ones taken out, it is easy to come off. The air filter comes out. And this is where we're going to be putting our cleaner foam. So what you're looking at here is actually the blower motor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tip of the tube and I'm going to spray around the edge of the blower motor there. This way, I will ensure that I am able to get as much of the cleaner as possible to the evaporator core, which is directly behind the blower motor. All right, I've got my can of coolant. I've shaken it already for about 35 to 45 seconds. I'm going to take this end right here and go around the edge of the blower motor as I spray it to make sure that I can get as much of that chemical in as possible. All right, you're definitely gonna have to get down into the floorboard so that as you push the trigger, you can slowly move the tube. You're gonna do this about 4 or 5 times, just little quick bursts, just so that you can get the area clean as possible. All right, we're gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then we will go ahead and turn the AC on high. While we're waiting that 15 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add some Techron high mileage fuel system cleaner. So simply open up your gas tank. We have a new bottle of Chevron Techron complete fuel system cleaner. You'll see Josh just put the gas cap in the most appropriate location so it doesn't get in the way. Go ahead, let this go in all of the way. As you see, it has it upside down to prevent those air bubbles. Once it gets almost empty, he's going to turn it over. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to make sure that you are keeping your engine running smoothly and cleaning the fuel as you go in as well. Maybe you're wondering why I decided to go through the cabin air filter space versus going underneath the vehicle to clean the drainage tubes. In vehicles, particularly like this Audi, it's somewhat difficult to find the opening of the drainage tubes. So part of being resourceful is making sure you do it smart. You're going to try your best to do it the easiest way possible. So by going where your cabin air filter is, that's going to save you a little bit of time, a little bit of energy, and it's going to make sure that the cleaner gets dispersed appropriately to make sure that you're getting it as well as possible. All right, it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble everything. This is our brand new air filter that I'm gonna put in. It's gonna go in the same way. You'll see there are little arrows that I will follow. You wanna make sure that you put those in the direction of what the air will flow. So I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble exactly the same way that we disassembled everything. All right, now that we've got everything reassembled, I'm simply gonna go ahead and crank the vehicle. I'm gonna set the AC on to max, and it's already on low, and we're gonna let it run for a good 10 minutes. I can already tell a difference. That smell is much cleaner. All right, there you have it, a simple and effective way to make sure that you are not only making sure your AC system runs appropriately and as smoothly as possible, but you have fresher air and you are able to help the efficiency behind it. The process for most vehicles will be very similar, though some vehicles it is easier to get underneath and run the cleaning solution right up through the drain tube. Thank you again for watching Rooted and Resourceful. Remember, stay rooted in who you are, but resourceful in how you grow. I'm Robert Bradley, and I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day.